Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm owner of a Google partner company with the name of ARSWEBS.com. And I'm also Google Ad certified, Facebook Ad certified, Bing Ad certified, advertising professional. So today I'm here with our Google Ads case study regarding a local business where we did the audit of the account and got the and did the optimization with the account, and we were able to achieve a very good conversion rate. And yeah, we did a few trials, and before the trials we did the complete audit of the market. Even before the audit of the account, we always do the audit of the market on what your competitors are doing, what is your market scenario, what is your USP, and what is your competitor's USP. Once we figure out and analyze what is working for everyone, and then we make our successful strategy based campaigns based on the data we get through the market, regarding what is working well for them, how are their competitors landing pages, and how ours landing pages, what kind of a stylistic extensions our competitors are using, what kind of a keywords they are targeting, what kind of a campaigns they are doing. Either they are creating local search campaigns, retargeting campaigns, new campaigns, search campaigns, display campaigns, app installs campaigns, or there are so much data to work on. And once we figure out on what our competitors are doing, then we did the audit of the account on what is the current strategy of the account, how are we obtaining the leads, what is the further room for improvement. We use around 100 step check for a deep audit of an Google Ads account. And in the deep audit of the account, it take days. It's not an hour job, but it's a few hour job. And it is being spread on many days, because for competitors we need to understand, like, is there do their bidding changes on any particular hours of the day, or any particular day. So we have to analyze few things, what kind of A/B testing our competitors are doing. So for an account deep audit of the account, it takes time, but yeah, we are glad that we did a successful work with our client. So here I am, presenting a case study for a local business. It's a taxi based business in the UK, targeting a particular city. So let's get started on this. Okay, so this is the website, and that is on the stroke content is a city in UK, where we are targeting. They also have a, because they primarily work through mobiles, and they have an app on App Store, they have an app on Google Play. This is their website looks like. They have around 450 cars, 30 years of working, 45,000 journeys per week. In case if you ask me what kind of ad they have, this is their ad. You can see, uh, this is an ad. The picture came was due to the company's logo, and then you can see that the ad fluctuates, because we didn't fix a specific headline as a headline number one, but we are trying testing we on with different headlines. Because marketing is all about consistently keep on testing the results to see what is working well for us. And this is our descriptions. And in case if you ask me what kind of assets we are using as an ad extensions, you can see we are using sitelinks as an ad extensions. We are using promotions, prices, calls, callouts, location extension, and then mobile app extension. So location is also very important. Now let me show you how we are working on. So for Stefan, we divided into different areas, to figure out, like a city. We had divided the city into 4 to 5 areas, and for each area we had a different campaign, and according to for a different time. First is for this is for stroke with 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. time, and this is for 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. time. So this is how we are actually understanding on what is working well for us. Now this is a Monday to Friday based campaign. Now this is a Saturday Sunday 24-hour campaign. Every campaign is a different results. But in case if you look on the conversions now, with 32,000 conversions, 30,000 conversions, you can see that we are able to get the conversion rate under £1, and which is a significant achievement for us. Because as a marketer, we did on few things to check out in the market. Like we did the bidding strategy of manual CPC, and then we worked on maximize conversions, and then maximize clicks, and then we eventually shifted to maximize conversion target CPA. You cannot shift on this model on a day one, but you need the data to shift on. And once we got a data, we eventually shifted to maximize conversions, and it worked well for us. Ad position also plays a huge role here. So this is another successful story of our client. We also have other campaigns as well. We also get to know sometimes deals as well. In case you can open any campaign and you can see on it, like we are using 4 to 5 key ad groups. We have different, for keywords we are using search phrase form, with some in a broad match where branding is also our goal. We are also using negative keywords, and let me show you the ad assets over here. You can see the structured snippet over here, site link extensions, callout extension. We are using app extensions. We are also using location extension. So this is the data of one of our successful client. And in case if you figure out on how many conversions they have, they, as per even the Google, their optimization score is 95%. Let's move on to the all campaigns tab, and let me show you for this month. You can see that for this month we have a total of 201 conversions, and it's just like 2 days. So like 100 conversions at 100 rides a month. So that is not a bad scenario. And in case if you see in last month, you can see that we were able to achieve 4,873 conversions leads. So that is a very good amount. And in case if you see on the conversion value, that comes to 16,000, and the spend is around 3,003 to £1. So yeah, you can see on this is a successful case study for Google Ads for our local business. Let me tell you one thing, and that is that for any marketing campaign, one thing you need to be sure is that consistency plays a huge role. That you have to be consistent, and you have to keep on trying something new. As a marketer, as a marketing, apart from consistency, testing is also another factor in optimizing your campaigns. If you're not doing A/B testings or other testings, actually you may are losing out. We decided a specific percentage of amount we are going to spend. I'm sorry, I cannot disclose you the exact amount or percentage for this line, but we decided a specific percentage, like we are going to use this amount to keep on trying new stuff, and we are going to use 80% on what is working well for us to further optimize that, and 20%, let's say I'm just giving you an example, let's get 20% for a new A/B testing. So that is how successful campaigns gets leads. And like you are going to spend 20% of your budget in testing, no matter what, either it converts well for you or not. That is sort of a reinvestment in your business. So you have to keep in mind that you have to take a portion out of your existing business, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, or whatever you want to. Let's say, just giving you an example, like let's put 20% as an example, that we are going to use 20% of our budget in marketing, and 80% on we know that what exactly is working well for us, or what exactly can work for us. So that 20% plays a huge role, because that 20% gives you new areas and new opportunities for your business to see what can be improved further. And when we started, we were on only Monday to Friday campaigns. Then we eventually improved and created a Saturday Sunday campaign. And firstly we were running for a few hours, but we realized that Saturday Sunday campaigns with 24 hours actually works well for us. So like I told, like I said, that mostly campaigns, for most campaigns I do recommend running on weekdays, not on weekends. But in this industry I recommend running on weekends, because maybe the traffic is higher, or maybe people are looking, people need more taxis in a week, which is why the load is high on a Saturday Sunday, which is why we have a 24-hour specific dedicated campaign for the weekend. And that is how we are able to generate conversions. So yeah, when we were running the whole campaign, we didn't know that what exactly is working well for us. Now we have a day campaign, we have an evening campaign, and a dedicated weekend campaign, and that is how we were able to analyze what is working well for us. And again, it's all about testing. I hope you like the video, and in case if you like to work with us, we will be gladly able to work with you and help you in regards to Google ads, Facebook ads, or SEO services. You are more than welcome to reach us through the link in the description box to for working with us. Once again, thank you for watching, and in case if you have any questions, comments, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Thank you, and bye bye.